Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you all a vegan and a dairy-free, no egg pumpkin ponche creme. And today's recipe is being sponsored by Allston's Marketing Company Limited with brands such as Frank Sauces, Bragg's, Target Corned Beef, Lucima Pasta, Squeezy, French's, Naturally Almond, Caribbean Dreams, and Presidente Butter. So join me, let me show you all how easy this one is to make and how delicious it's going to be. To start this recipe, we're going to be using 1 full packet of Naturally Almond Vanilla almond milk. This has some sweetness to it, so you don't have to add additional sugar or condensed milk if you're on a sugar-free diet or you're watching your sugar content. In goes 1.5 cups of pureed pumpkin, a splash of vanilla essence. And to puree pumpkin, it's really easy. Just peel it, put it in your pot and cover it and let it steam down until it's soft. In went some bitters, and I'm adding in half of a tin of coconut condensed milk, or you can omit it. In goes spiced rum and white rum. So I'm using 1 cup of white rum to half a cup of spiced rum. You can use less and always adjust those measurements if you like, depending on how strong you want it. Grate in some fresh nutmeg. Must put in some pumpkin spice to enhance the pumpkin in there. And I'm also going in with some extra ground ginger. So perfect for this recipe. Pimento berries. Now these berries, I know a lot of you may not have used it a lot in cooking, but trust me, for desserts it's amazing. So we're going to blend and bring everything together. And once it comes together, I'm going to empty it out, but you can taste it at this point and see if you want to adjust anything. I'm not straining it. The reason being is I want those berries and all those spices to stay in there overnight and just enhance this ponche creme. When you're ready to serve it, you can strain it, but guess what happens? I think when you're ready to serve it, you just give it a slight stir and pour it over your ice and it will be amazing. Just look how beautiful this looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Leave your requests in the comment section. Pick up all of your ingredients at your local supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.